I can't believe the holidays are already here. Christmas will be here in just a few weeks, as my 6-year-old daughter reminds me several times per day. If you're wondering what gift to buy that special loved one or family member in your life, then look no further than this video. In this video, we're going to be covering the Techfluence Top 5 Cyber Monday deals. Let's go ahead and get started. Maybe you have someone in your life that doesn't really need anything or want anything specific. So what do you get the person who already has everything? My gift recommendation for the person who already has everything is the Extra Card Holder Pro. This truly feels like the wallet of the future. With the add-on ecosystem, you can have as minimal or customizable of a setup as you want. Add-ons such as the coin tray, AirTag backplate, finder card, tool card, or the cash clip backplate make this super customizable, and you can get the perfect setup for anyone's needs. Extra also sent out the finder card, which is a ultra slim rechargeable tracking device that's about the size of a credit card. This works with Apple Find My and just makes it impossible to lose your stuff. The Card Holder Pro is super sleek and very pocketable, and I'm shocked at just how many cards this can hold, anywhere from 1 to 14 cards, with up to 5 or 7 cards in the card holder. The entire card holder is made with premium recycled aluminum. There are no plastic parts here, so you get a very quality build that's going to last. I really like the new metal card ejector trigger. It's also just really fun to play with, and I find myself messing around with it from time to time. One thing that I really love about Extra is they stand behind their product. So this does come with a lifetime warranty. A year or so ago, I purchased a Gucci wallet, and while it was very expensive, it came with 0 warranty. So like if you break it, that's it. With this, at least your investment is protected and you have peace of mind that you do have that lifetime warranty. If you're looking for a more minimal card holder to replace your bulky wallet, then the Extra Card Holder Pro is definitely a great option. We all know that person that's obsessed with Dr. Pimple Popper. Maybe they have Q-tips on them at all times. For that person, the best gift is definitely the B-Bird Earsight Complete Home 30S, and it's on a great Cyber Monday deal. This is the world's first OTC camera ear cleaner. This is a much better way to clean your ears than the traditional Q-tip for sure. The version that B-Bird sent out to me is for the family, as it includes multiple toolkits. They also have individual versions of the B-Bird if you don't need one for your entire family. A few things that really stand out here are the serpentine bendable lens. This innovative optical device is designed to provide unparalleled flexibility and adaptability in different situations. The lens features a unique serpentine structure which allows it to bend and conform to a wide range of shapes and surfaces. With a 10 megapixel lens and 9-axis motion sensitivity, you're going to be able to see all the details at 3 times magnification without distortion. This allows you to see all debris in your ear and allows you to easily remove it. One thing that I especially love is the UV disinfection. This uses ultraviolet light to effectively eliminate harmful microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This device is super versatile and comes with different tools for different scenarios, including earwax removal devices, ear irrigation kits, and inspection cameras for total ear health. With B-Bird, you get ear care that you can see. This is definitely a great gift option. You really can't go wrong giving someone a great set of earbuds, and the creative Arvana Ace 2 have a great Cyber Monday deal. These earbuds put out great sound featuring a dynamic 10mm driver enhanced by Qualcomm's aptX lossless technology. These earbuds deliver CD-level audio quality, bringing the original recording directly to your ears. Unicast brings smoother audio with a lower bitrate and power consumption for a more immersive HD listening experience. I'm really liking the design of this translucent charging case with the copper core. I think it looks really sharp. These earbuds also have pretty good active noise cancellation, allowing you to take away the sound that's around you, or in ambient mode, you can allow just the right amount of ambient noise into your ear so you can still kind of know what's going on around you. The Arvana Ace 2 feature great battery life. You get up to 6 hours on a single charge with up to 24 hours of total playback time with the included charge case. 6 microphones driven by Qualcomm's CVC noise cancellation deliver crystal clear audio when you're in calls, which is also a very important aspect of any good pair of earbuds. Overall, this is a great set of premium earbuds at a very affordable price, especially on this excellent Cyber Monday deal. If you're looking to buy a gaming PC or work PC audio system, the Creative Pebble X Plus is definitely a great option. The Creative Pebble X Plus offers 15 watt RMS power and 30 watt peak, giving punchy bass and an overall balanced sound. You can increase the power of this system when you use a 30 watt or better power delivery adapter, giving you 30 watts of RMS power and 60 watts of peak, amplifying the volume of this speaker system. This system definitely elevates any PC setup with the included RGB lighting, with up to 16.8 million color combinations and 6 presets to match any ambiance. This is definitely going to add a little bit of flair to your setup. The Pebble X Pro is powerful, delivering lots of sound while also maintaining a very sleek and compact profile. This speaker system won't clutter up your desk space. With versatile connection options, you can connect this speaker system with USB, stream wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.3, or go analog with a 3.5mm connection. Overall, if you're looking for a speaker system that looks and sounds great for your PC setup, this is a good option. If I personally was to ask for a gift, it would probably be the Meta Quest 3 or the Meta Quest 3S. Meta recently sent out the Meta Quest 3S, which brings the power of the Meta Quest 3 with a Snapdragon XR Gen 2 platform, bringing 2 times the graphical processing performance of the Meta Quest 2. I can really tell the difference here. Also love the fact that it included Batman Arkham Shadow, which has been super fun to play. To me, the Meta Quest 3S is a night and day difference from what I had with my Meta Quest 2. With the new cameras, I can actually see everything that's going on around me. I can literally use my cell phone or type on my computer with the headset on. I'm pretty excited to play some of the new augmented reality games with this headset as well. One of my favorite things to do with the 3S is to set up multiple screens. I could do work on my main PC and then check out the football game over to my right, scroll the internet over on my left. Maybe I want to do some research over there on that screen while I'm writing a script on my computer desktop. This is a pretty sweet setup, and then nothing beats the immersion of a true theater experience with like a 100-foot screen in my office. You can get up to 40% off of games and apps using the discount code in the description, so you definitely want to check that out. Hopefully this video has helped you to find some really good deals on some great gift ideas for your loved ones. Be sure to head down to the description where I'll have all the deal details and links for ultimate savings this Cyber Monday. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.